Let's learn about nouns. What is a noun? A word used to identify any of a class of people, places, or things. Also called naming words. The very first part of speech. Almost every sentence will definitely have a noun, and they perform different roles in a sentence. Examples of nouns: people, Rahul, Sheila, man, person, Tommy, women, girl, the Prime Minister. Places: Bangalore, India, Mexico, North Pole, South Africa, the Nile River, classroom, bedroom, basketball court, cricket ground, swimming pool. Bird: aquatic animals, reptiles, lion, zebra, snake, ostrich, flamingo, bear, cat, fish, shark. Ideas: evolution, invention, extinction, argument, destruction. Objects / things: bout, cycle, curtains, paper, bag, blackboard, cupboard. Types of nouns. 1. Proper nouns. Nouns that are used to name a person, place, or thing specifically are called a proper noun. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Examples: my name is Rose. Name of a particular person. 2. Common nouns. Common nouns are those nouns that refer to a generic item, group, or place. Examples: I bought a pen yesterday. Common object: I am going to school. Common place: only 10 employees showed up to work today. Common group. 3. Singular nouns. These are words that are used to name a single person, place, animal, bird, or object. Examples: there is a little boy in front of our house. Single person: that is my daughter. Single person. 4. Plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to a number of people, places, animals, or things. Nouns are made plural by adding an s or is or ves to the existing root word. Examples: I need some apples. Did you find the boxes you were looking for? 5. Countable nouns are those nouns that can be counted or measured. Examples: Tom brought 10 packets of Lay's for the trip. Specific: number 10. Mom asked me to buy a dozen eggs. Specific: dozen means 12. I saw an aeroplane around 7 in the morning. Specific and means 1. 6. Uncountable nouns are those nouns that cannot be counted. This category of nouns includes both concrete and abstract nouns. Examples: I have a lot of homework to do. Not specific. I have a cup of tea. Cannot count. 7. Collective nouns. A collective noun is a naming word that is used to denote a group of objects, animals, or people. Examples: collective nouns for groups of animals: a pride of lions, a flock of sheep, a swarm of bees, a herd of elephants. 8. Concrete nouns. A concrete noun refers to objects that are material and can be perceived by the human senses. Examples: the book is on the table. I had a cup of coffee. Sharon opened the windows. Heidi goes to school by bus. 9. Abstract nouns. Any entity that cannot be perceived by the 5 senses of the human body are called an abstract noun. Examples: love is a strong emotion. Honesty is the best policy. It takes a lot of courage to raise your voice and stand up against injustice. Nouns used as different components of a sentence. Nouns used as a subject. When used as a subject, a noun mostly appears at the beginning of a sentence. It can be identified by asking the question who. Examples: Bruno went to the playground. Nouns used as an object. When nouns are used as objects, they appear in the latter part of a sentence. It can be identified by asking the question what. Examples: I bought a pen. Where is your book? I cannot find today's newspaper. Nouns can be used as a direct object and an indirect object. Nouns used as a direct object. You can identify a noun used as a direct object by asking the question what. Examples: do you want a lollipop? What do you want? Ash, a lollipop. I loved my dress. Nouns used as an indirect object. You can ask the question for whom to identify a noun used as an indirect object. Examples: Dan bought his sister a Mini Cooper. For whom did Dan buy a Mini Cooper? Ash, his sister. Mega baked Julie a cake. For whom did Mega bake a cake? Nouns used as a complement. When a noun is used to modify or describe another noun, it acts as a complement. Nouns used as a subject complement. Professions and positions can perform the role of a subject complement. Examples: my brother is an engineer. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Nouns used as an object complement. Object complements are nouns that follow the noun they modify. Names, professions, and positions can perform the role of an object complement. Examples: we named our dog Shadow. The teacher made Tabitha the class leader. Multifunctional nouns. Nouns used as verbs. There are some nouns which can also be used as a verb. Some nouns can be used as verbs with a slight change in the spelling of the original word. Examples: his divorce is final. Used as a noun. I am divorced. Used as a verb. Do you like my new dress? Used as a noun. I am dressed and ready to go, used as a verb. Nouns used as adjectives. With a slight change in the spelling or adding a suffix to the root word, nouns can sometimes be used as adjectives. Examples: I have no money, used as a noun. There has been a change in the monetary policy of the country, used as an adjective. Javed sensed some danger, used as a noun. What you are trying to do is dangerous, used as an adjective. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.